Friends, this is creation number whatever. Actually, it shouldn't be creation number whatever. It should be stand out as a unrelated video. But for those of you who know my Croatian series, Learn Croatian series, and for those of you who know my videos, my past videos, and especially the one where I was talking about consonant clusters in Croatian. Actually, it was made in German, I think, but I subtitled it for the English audience. I was talking about words in Croatian with a row of consonants in them, which we have, we have a great bunch of them. A big bunch, and I was searching for one with 6, and I thought there was one, but actually I don't think it's a real one. I just I mean, grammatically it was correct, but I couldn't find this word anywhere on the internet or in any common dictionary, and I had some of the most recognized at hand. So last year during Erasmus, so maybe I will put this video under Erasmus number whatever. Some of you know that I have been spending my time in Croatia, and of course it might be stupid to go to Croatia if you're from Croatia, but I've been living in Germany almost 25 years now, and Croatia has become some kind of foreign country to me. So I went to Croatia. And I had Croatian classes, C1, because they didn't have C2, with, well, mostly Polish people, but that's another story. So, in the building where I was going to university, at the Filozofski Fakultet, there's this little shop by Školska knjiga, so by a publisher who's mostly publishing, well, as the name is explaining itself, school books, but also books like scientific stuff from university or for university. And in the last, like, almost a little, just a little bit above the ground, there was this book behind the glass being offered. It was like green or with black letters, and I couldn't believe it. It was like in the title of the book there was a word with 7 consonants in a row, and it's SANSKRTSKI or SANSKRTSKI. I'm not sure about the what is it called, how exactly to pronounce it, to stress. Yeah, I don't know exactly where the stressing is, but it's 7 consonants in a row, and I was searching for one Croatian word with 6 only, and I found 7. Of course, the R in the middle of the word is functioning in Croatian, same as L sometimes, as a semi vowel. But still, I mean, for foreign means, it's still 7 consonants in a row. So I was really excited when I found out about this. I think it's exactly 1 year ago that I noticed it, because I was passing by literally 1 month, not noticing it, not seeing it, because I was not interested in all those books. I didn't want to buy a dictionary or whatever there, I didn't need it. But when I stumbled over it, I was really excited, and I planned to do this video for a long time, but of course there are other subjects as well. And well, that's it. SANSKRTSKI. Of course, this is the Croatian adjective for Sanskrit. So Sanskritic as a language is being described and explained in this book. Alright, if you happen to find a word with 6 vowels, there are dozens of words with 3, 4, 5, but 6 and 7, it's the It's the top of the top, and it's really funny. Some friend of mine offered me a while ago like, why don't you Croatians give away some consonants or consonant clusters to the Turkish people, and or to the Turkish language, and they give you some O's and U's and whatnot. Same for German. Well, it's a funny idea, and maybe it it could work out in the future. Not really, but well. Anyways, thanks for watching. Enjoy Croatian language, and of course also food, weather, etc. Tell me what you think about this word, about my search for consonant clusters. I will link the previous video connected to this subject, so you can watch this also. Have a nice day.